Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking in the essentials. Equip a high-ink region loadout and a short-range burst weapon to secure contact quickly. Move to cover so you can bait the target into coming to you rather than chasing. This forces a predictable approach. Once the opponent commits, use a brief ink dash to close distance and land an early stagger. Make sure to conserve roughly 20 to 30% of your ink meter so you have reserve to execute the takedown without running dry. Now you move into the complex middle phase where timing and chaining matter. You want to stun or stun lock with a quick secondary attack to stop the enemy from slipping away, then immediately follow with heavy hits. Time your ink dash to use its short invulnerability frames for repositioning, and once done, unload a combo designed to deplete health quickly. Meanwhile, control surrounding space by blocking exits and cutting off allies so the target has nowhere safe to retreat. Finish the takedown by timing your strongest ability or charged hit precisely when the opponent reaches critical HP. This minimizes wasted resources and secures the kill. If they escape, don't overcommit. Chase in short bursts to maintain pressure and force mistakes, then reapply your combo. Make sure to replenish ink and reposition before attempting another close-range engage. Troubleshooting tip: if your dash consistently fails, lower input delay settings and practice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.